What is up guys, my name is Talhan, you're watching Gadgets is Fair. So this is the Poco X6 Pro, which is running the Android 14 latest HyperOS 1.0. In today's video, we're going to do a camera test of this smartphone to see how well it actually performs, and I'm also going to see if this smartphone overheats or not, because I've seen many people complaining in the comments that the smartphone overheats a lot while recording videos. So let's actually test it out and see how well the overall heating situation is in this smartphone. So this smartphone has a 64 megapixel camera at the back, and this video is actually shot at 4K at 30 fps from the back camera of the Poco X6 Pro. Now one thing which I would like to tell you is that the dynamic range is very good in the main camera, which is the primary lens. As you guys can see, the colors, the dynamic range, everything looks fantastic. But this story does not continue in the ultra wide angle camera. Now this is a shot from the ultra wide angle camera of the Poco's smartphone, and one thing which I would like to complain about here is actually the dynamic range. As you guys can see, the sky part was almost washed out before, and yeah, it just looks a little bit okay. I wouldn't prefer it for vlogging. That's my opinion. Now if we compare it to the iPhone's camera, on the right we have the iPhone 12 and on the left we have the Poco X6 Pro. Both the smartphones are shooting at 4K at 30 fps, and you guys will be the judge of course. But according to me, one thing which I would like to say is that the iPhone captures colors better. Like the colors are more true to life as captured in the iPhone as compared to the Poco. And the Poco's image look a little bit more cinematic, I would say, but still in terms of the overall video bitrate, the quality, I would still pick the iPhone as the winner. Now talking about colors, I also did one more test from both of these smartphones camera, and here as you guys can see, this is where the Poco actually captured the exact real life colors. The blue shirt of that Scooty is actually better in captured in the Poco X6 Pro as compared to the iPhone. I don't know why in this scene the iPhone actually made the whole scene blue, which is absolutely false. This is where the Poco actually performed better. Now let's just move on towards the photos, and these are the photos captured by both of these smartphones. On the right we have the iPhone, on the left we have the Poco. One thing which again I would like to say is that there is a lot more detail in the Poco shot as compared to the iPhone. But yeah, the Poco shot also looks a little bit washed out. Now comparing these two images, I would still pick up the Poco X6 Pro over the iPhone. This is due to the fact that it looks a lot more closer to real life in the Poco, whereas the iPhone in like dialed up the contrast a little bit more than required. So that is where I think the Poco X6 Pro actually captured a better shot. Now in the next shot, I would actually kind of choose towards the iPhone. That is definitely due to the fact that if you look at the right corner where the Krita is, the Poco has actually overexposed the white color a lot, and you are losing a lot of detail in that. Whereas on the right in the iPhone, the Krita is absolutely well exposed. It looks fantastic. So that is one thing you need to know. Now this is a 2x shot from both of these smartphones. I just captured a random shot, but this is a shot where I would actually want you guys to comment down below which one you would prefer and which one actually looks better. Like tell me a reason why you like the shot, the left or the right one. And yeah, the left is the Poco, the right is the iPhone. Now again, in this shot, I would say that the iPhone captured better details, but the colors are more true to life in the Poco as compared to the iPhone. So I would again call it a draw, but I think the Poco's image look a little bit washed out as compared to the iPhone's image. And yeah, you will definitely see a lot of, haloing effect in the left as compared to the right. So I think I would prefer the right. Now in terms of selfies, on the left we have the Poco, on the right we have the iPhone. I would again prefer the Poco X6 Pro's selfie camera to be a little bit more better. This is due to the fact that my skin tone is actually a lot more closer to real life in the Poco as compared to the iPhone. This is like the iPhone has made my skin tone a little bright but also a little yellowish, which is not true. Now again in this portrait selfie, I would say that yeah, both of these are amazing photos, but I would again prefer the Poco on the left because it is like a little bit more social media ready as compared to the right image. So I would still prefer the left one, but you guys can definitely tell me in the comments below which one is better. No matter, like I'm not saying that the right is bad, it's also incredibly good, but still the left looks a little better. That is pretty much it. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Peace out.